there's literally absolutely no way to pull the pile itself out of the ground. So there would be probably the most stable method of setting a home currently. Yeah.
The product comes with a lifetime warranty, and actually just sort of on the more practical side, the mortgages that you would take out for a home like this are often 30 years. So when we have a mortgage and a warranty that are matched at that same time period, there's a lot of value for the client.
We have seen in the past where things were not set up properly, settlement issues, but with the helical piles we don't see that at all, because we're installed to a known torque and a known load bearing capacity, and that'll be good for years and years to come.
The durability and longevity, and even from an environmental perspective, not using concrete is very environmentally friendly. The peace of mind they get knowing their home's on a quality foundation.